Hello, in this video we'll be checking out how much does the YouTube channel Pratt makes. To get some statistics on his channel, we'll be using the Social Blade platform. Thus far he has uploaded 412 videos and has amassed a subscriber count of 374,000. And his video views to date is 105,715,613. And his channel was created back in June 11th, 2011. As you can see here in the auto niche, it's ranked 843. And to get an estimate of how much he's earning, we'll be using the YouTube money calculator. And we'll be estimating that his CPM is $4. And by the way, the CPM stands for cost per 1,000 views. And this is the amount of money a YouTuber gets paid for every 1,000 views a video gets. But the CPM tends to fluctuate as it all depends on the country that the video is being watched in, how long does the viewer end up watching the ad for, if a viewer ends up clicking on an ad. The CPM can go from anywhere from a few cents to up to $10 or $20 or even more. But with an estimated CPM of $4 and his daily view count being 112,000, he'll be earning $448 per day. But this is before YouTube takes their cut of 45%, which would leave him with $246 per day. And for the month he'll be earning $6,899, and for the year $82,790.